The mighty algae coalition, leader of Plant Nation, has fallen due to our never-ending water crisis. Our simple aquatic ancestor, including cyanobacteria, green, brown, and red algae, were the first to possess chlorophyll and allow us to be where we are today. The remaining autotrophs will now debate over who will be our new leader.
I'm here today to represent over 23,000 species of bryophytes, which includes mosses, hornworts, and liverworts. We are small, flat, and the first plants to colonize the land successfully and develop embryos. Our embryos, which is the early developmental form of plants, have allowed us to nourish and care for our young until they've reached a stage of maturity where they can fend for themselves, thus giving them a higher chance of survival. We have survived the harshest of conditions, and we are the closest relatives to the algae. So vote for us as your new strong leader of Plant Nation.
There are about 10,560 known extant species of ferns as of 2016, found in a wide variety of habitats from deserts to bodies of water and high mountain elevations. This makes us the most capable leader for Plant Nation. We differ from previous plants with our presence of lignified vascular tissue. This vascular tissue is made up of non-lignified phloem and lignified xylem, which allows us to transport minerals, water, and sugar through our plant bodies. As a result of this, ferns like the ostrich fern, the bracken fern, and the Thrusday filix femina fern can grow great in size, and we need to make ferns great again. So vote Ferns 2016.
With around 640 species, the gymnosperms are vascular plants, and we were the first ones to come up with these. Now, we may be small in number, but some examples include pines, cones, the very rare ginkgo, and yews. Seeds develop on needle, leaf, or the scale-like structures of cones, or on the short end of stalks. Now, these structures, along with the fact that gymnosperms can wind pollinate, mean that we can reproduce in drier, colder, remote climates like the snow. Now, we can also reproduce more often in the year and need no water for fertilization. Now, along with that advantage, seeds protect the embryo from drying out and from the harsh climate change. Also, the seeds give nutrition to the embryo, which helps for early plant growth and allows for a dormant period and a reduced rate of metabolism, so we can wait for favorable conditions. So, if you want to plant the seeds for successful survival in these harsh times of uncertain climates, think gymnosperm.
My name is Daisy Oak. I'm representing the angiosperms. We already are the largest groups of plants, with about 270,000 different species, which represents almost 80% of the total plant populations. What do we have that the others don't? We have some amazing speakers like Mr. Rose and Miss Lily, just to name a few. We have stamen, we have flowers, we also have some pollen grains that spread our genetic information. We have some angiosperms, which gives us perfect food source for developing seeds, and we have some allies, like the dragon birds and the enormous insects that will provide transportation for our pollen when needed. Angiosperm.
Bryophytes!